Hi, this is Will, and in this video I will show how you can backup your Miro boards with ProBackup. To do so, you go to probackup.io and you click on Sign In on the top right corner. Once you're logged in, you can click on the menu bar here on New App and then click on Miro to start backing up Miro. This will redirect you to the first step of the onboarding process, and on the first step I need to authorize ProBackup. So I click on Login with Miro. If you're not logged into Miro yet, then you will need to log in first. In this case, I was already logged in to my account. Here I click on Allow to give ProBackup access to my Miro boards. Then on the third step, you have the option to sync your Miro boards or your data backups to your own Google Drive folder. So in the first step, we backup your data with heavy encryption on our own servers. In the second step, you have the option to sync your data backups to Google Drive. So this means we will recreate your boards in readable Google Sheets and also sync all of the files and attachments to your Google Drive folder. This is not mandatory, it is just for some customers nice to have an extra failsafe by having their database backups not only stored in the ProBackup app, but also in their Google Drive account. So for now, I'll skip this. And then I'm on the last step of the process already, and if I click here on Start Backup, then my first backup will be created. So given this is the first time I'm backing up my Miro boards, it can take up to a few hours sometimes, depending on how big your account is, for the first backup to complete. But once the first backup has been completed, you are able to go back to ProBackup and view all of your data backups here. So now the first backup is still in process, or maybe it's already completed given it's a very small demo account, which gives me access to my data backups. So from here I can either visit my summary page where I can see how many boards have been backed up, how many items per board, and so on. I can also see the backup status here on the summary dashboard, as well as some other reports with a bit more information about the data from my Miro account. If I click on backups, you'll be able to see all the boards that are being loaded. I have currently just 2 boards in my Miro account, but they already appear here, and from here I can either view the items or show the boards, and also select boards to export them to Excel or other things. So this is how to get started. From now on, my Miro boards will be automatically backed up every 24 hours. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.